Duplicate content is something that Google does not like. In fact, I'll make a very bold statement. If your website has duplicate content on it, meaning that the same content on your website is on other dentist websites on the World Wide Web, then you're not going to get on page one of a patient looking for a dentist in your community. And how does duplicate content happen? It can happen many ways, but there's two primary ways. One way is that the company that wrote your website, that designed your website, kind of uses a boilerplate concept, and they might give you exclusivity for your particular zip code. They might say, "Hey, we won't work with another dentist in your zip code," but just for your own knowledge, there are going to be other websites around the country that have some of your duplicate content. And you may say, "Well, hey, I'm in Phoenix, and I don't care if a dentist in Miami has duplicate content." You may not care about that, but Google does. And you will not get on page one with duplicate content. The second way it happens is a little bit more nefarious, and that's where a dentist will just kind of troll online, find websites they like, and cut and paste content and put it into their website. While there's other ways you can get duplicate content, those are the two most common. Naren, talk about Copyscape as an app that can help our listeners discover whether they've got duplicate content or not.
Absolutely, Gary. You are 100% right. There are things you're supposed to do and there are things you're not supposed to do. Google uses the word white hat versus black hat. Black hat are things you're not supposed to do. And duplicate content is one of those things you're not supposed to do. If you do it, you go to jail. You go to Google jail. It doesn't matter how good you are. You know, it's like having a criminal record, right? It doesn't matter how smart you are. You're going to have a hard time getting a job. You know, it's just one of those things. So you don't want to go to jail. And the two examples you gave are perfect. So the tool we use is called Copyscape, C-O-P-Y, Copyscape, S-C-A-P-E.com. It's as simple as going to that website and typing in the particular page you're looking at. And if there are other pages that have similar information, meaning it will literally highlight sentence by sentence, paragraph by paragraph, what other websites on the internet have the exact same paragraph, exact same sentence. Now, Google has a very high threshold. If it's more than 5%, Google doesn't like it. And many websites we look at, you know, for clients, we sometimes, you know, what's one of the things we do before we start working with someone, we see 20%, 30%, 40%, 50% information being copied. And that's like jail territory. So don't go there. You don't want to go to jail.
And most of the time this is happening and the dentist doesn't know that he or she has duplicate content on their site. And they don't know why in the world they can't get on page one. And it could be that reason right there.